Hey, all, come on in. We're making mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving. Normally, I don't peel my potatoes when it's just my family, but I'm trying to make them extra nice and creamy and special. I will peel the potatoes. You could use a peeler like this, or you can use your paring knife and make sure it's sharp, following around the contours of the potato. And they're ready to go into the boiling water, and we'll know when they're done when we poke them with a knife, and the knife goes through easily and comes out easily. All right, time to blend up our mashed potatoes. So we're adding in butter. We'll start there. Low because it will splatter everywhere. Some salt that I never measured. Sometimes I regret because it ends up being too salty. Sour cream. Let's scrape down the sides. It's looking very creamy and lovely. I know some people like it more than others. I don't love a lot of black pepper, just enough to give it a taste of it. And a splash of milk. Time to taste. I'm ready for Thanksgiving. That was delicious. Except I can't eat anymore because then I'll be full. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a wonderful day.